Hello and welcome to the third topic in the Editor Access course. We're going to be reviewing members across the network, and we are here inside the Main Designer app. This is the main network that will load every time you open up your app, unless you are within another template. That template may be loading first if you had exited out of the app without fully exiting completely with a forced close. And that's one thing that I'd like to talk to you real quick about in your membership is anytime you unlock content such as a new app template within your app drawer. So if we go to our dashboard into ecosystem in our app drawer, before that information will show up here, sometimes you have to just do a force close on the app and reopen it. And I am using the next version of Designer Pro here on a test model. So what you see in your app may be just slightly different if it hasn't updated yet. So if you don't see what I'm seeing, don't worry about it. Your app will update as soon as that update hits the app stores. So let's go ahead and dive into members. Anywhere within the app itself, if you click on a user's profile image, 9 times out of 10 it's going to take you straight to their profile. Sometimes within activity feeds, we've had to design it to where clicking on a profile image takes you to their own individual activity feed. That's the way that we've designed it on purpose for us to be able to link content and deep links between hashtags. But usually, 9 times out of 10, clicking on a profile image, this would be my profile, will take you directly to their individual profile where you can see all of their earnings, their achievements, their ranks, how far they've come along inside the network, the courses that they have access to, any videos that they've uploaded, etc. So all of that information here can be then accessed individually by the members page and inside the main network, the Designer app. If you scroll down on the dashboard page and go to members, this is where you can then filter between the members inside the app. Looks like we've got 42 members inside the app at the moment. We've got a couple people who've updated their profile images, a couple people who haven't. But as you can see, beneath each name is the profile type of the member, and will tell you how far they've come through the network and at what level they are at. So anybody who completes the Editor Access course, their profile type will then be updated from member to editor. And then beyond that, anybody who completes the Designer Access course will be updated from editor to designer. And then anybody who completes their own app and publishes it to the App Store and it gets approved, their profile type will then become developer. And you can use this to contact different users within the network freely and discuss with them their experience in building their own apps, so you can get feedback on your own, or you can get help, or you can get more information on what they did to make the process easier for them. So from within the members, you can go ahead and select with the 3-button drop down anything you'd like to do directly with that member, such as follow them or unfollow them, friend request them or cancel a friend request, or send them a direct message. And that's with anybody that's inside the network. If you're an administrator, which the moment in which you request access to your app templates, you're technically an administrator of your own app, but not inside the Main Designer network. The only administrators, quote unquote, that we have are the actual app developers, who can then unlock access to the level to which they can go and they can say, send a direct message to somebody without having to be connected. Typically, that's used for maybe answering questions if somebody goes into a private group. But from a grand overview inside the members page, this is where you're going to be able to find the people that you're looking for. And as I said before, the profile types you can see here. We've got creator, not editor, I apologize, but creator, designer, and developer. So anybody who ends or completes the Editor Access course, they don't become an editor. I apologize, they become a creator. But that's the distinction that we've made to give a better overview of the people inside the app and their experience with building their own apps. You can also filter by recently active. The newest members inside the app are alphabetical. So if we go ahead and filter by newest members, it'll go ahead and refresh for us here. And there we see it. And then if we do alphabetical, we can do the same thing. It refreshes in the background, and there we have it. Other than that, any other ways for you to filter by members would be within activity feeds by selecting their name and then going into their own feed, let's say from hashtags here. So we click on a hashtag, it takes us to the hashtag feed, and as we're scrolling through related hashtags, we see that Kristen here has an update. So if I select her name here, it's going to take me to her activity feed for hashtags, and same if I select her profile, it's going to take me back to the same feed. That's a feature that we've created so that you can find more content that's related to that topic that's been tagged in that hashtag. But once you're inside that user's activity feed, if you click on their name, It'll just take you back to the same activity feed as it was before, but then the distinguishing difference here is their profile. So you click on their profile image, it will take you into their profile, and as I said before, anywhere on the network with members of any kind, if you typically click on their profile, 9 times out of 10 it's going to take you directly to their individual profile. It's only within the hashtag feed where clicking on their profile takes you to their individual activity feed. It's the same with groups, so if I click on the image for the group, it's going to take me into the group or the post or whatever I'm trying to find, and that information will be posted there for you to check out in real time based on the differences of hashtags, the differences of topics that users are trying to deep link through the network. That's the brief overview here of members within the network. If you guys have any questions, again, reach out to me. I'm at admin inside the network. You'll find my profile all over the place. My name's also Ryan. So shoot me a DM, mention me in a post or something inside of a group or whatever you'd like to do. I'll do my best to reply in a timely manner, timely fashion. If you need more expedient help, you can always go into your messages and you can just send a direct message to Liam. And any of those direct messages to Liam will then be sent to our team, and our team will reply by sending you a direct message from their account. So that's it for members inside the app. If you guys have any questions, let us know, and we'll see you on the next topic.